My company is Oil India Limited, is a fully integrated exploration and production company in upstream sector, mainly engaged in exploration and production company. Our corporate office is at Noida, and in our building we have engaged 3 devices of Kent, which we have been using for last 2 years. My designation is GM IT. Since I am from IT department, I have been asked to engage automated system to take the daily attendance system of our employee. But during the time of COVID, it was very useful to us because during that time, only attendance system, nobody can come near to you, and it came handy, very handy, helpful. Attendance system, Kent attendance system was very useful to us during the COVID period because manual attendance is a threat to us during that time. To keep record of daily attendance system and with the facial recognition and daily time stamp, this help Kent attendance system help us a great. Kent system support system is also very good, very good. They help us in time whenever we face any problem.